Hello everyone, welcome to Mishi Blue Tarot. Welcome to this channel, and I am so happy to connect with all of you every time I post a reading. So, thank you so much for being a part of my family, my YouTube family. It really means a lot to me. Alright, so today what we are going to be looking at is what does your person want to say to you? We'll be looking at channeled messages. I mean, I have written a couple of messages here in these papers for you, and of course, I'll be using my channel deck also to look into it a little deeper. So, it's the regular ritual. Just kind of disconnect from everything else at this point, I would say. Think about whenever you watch this, think about your person, think about your situation, and go ahead and pick the pile that is attracting you the most. Pile number 1 is the selenite one. Okay. Number 2 is the fluorite. And the third pile is the amethyst. Okay. Timestamps will be there in the description. Also, private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Again, repeating, what does your person want to say to you right now? Channeled messages, and of course, I'll be looking at tarot cards further. Okay, so I'll pause for 2 seconds. Alright, so we'll begin with pile number 1. Just give me a minute, I'll put these aside. Okay, so pile number 1, whoever chose this selenite one, let's see. We'll first open the letter, whatever is written here. This distance is not something that I like. I love your scent. Don't give up on me if it's not too much to ask. I'm trying my best to fix things, and I hope you understand. Okay, so this is what your person wants to tell you. Maybe you guys are a little away from each other at this point. Somewhat, I feel this person has a huge amount of attraction for you. Okay, they don't want to give up on you, and they want you also to not give up on them, because there is a very strong pull here. They love your scent, they love your aroma. Okay, I'm trying my best to fix things. I hope you understand. So, maybe if there is a situation or if there is a scene, I don't know what the situation is here, but whatever it is, this person is not giving up on you. They want to fix everything. Okay, they want to fix things, and they want to make sure that they're giving you what you deserve. But in the interim, all they want from you is some patience. So let us see, what does your person want to say to you at this point. What more do they want to say to you? Okay. First message is, I am jealous. Okay. You trigger me in a lot of ways. I want to know you more. Okay. This person wants to be probably the only person in your life. Okay. And you trigger them in a lot of ways. Okay. And I want to know you more. So when I say this thing that you trigger me in a lot of ways, when I pick this up, this is basically telling me that this strong attraction that they have for you is not just bodily, it's from inside. Okay, but maybe this person is not able to decipher it very openly or clearly, or however you want to put it. Okay, this person is jealous. Sometimes if there is anyone around you, or if like maybe you have a lot of people around you like you. Okay, and that kind of irritates this person. Okay, maybe they don't show it, but this person is jealous. I think they're very possessive about you. And yes, of course, before opening up, I think they want to know you more. They want to know you more. They want to spend more time with you. That's the reason why they say that don't give up on me. Okay, so let's see a little more. What do they want to say to you through the tarot cards? The Magician. Five of Wands. The Devil. The Hanged Man. Okay, quite a lot of major arcanas here. And the Six of Pentacles. Okay. Alright. For a lot of you, this person could be really busy working. Okay. This person could have a lot of goals and stuff, and this person wants to tell you that they want to break free from this whole fiasco or fight, or if there was a scene between the two of you where things were not going really well. Okay, they want to break free from that whole setup and go for a place of calmness with you. Okay, they want to balance this out. Okay, and for a lot of you, I'm also seeing that they want to see the soft side of you. They also want you to open up. Okay, they also want you to open up. This person here really thinks that, you know, both of you could have gone through a lot in your life, and it's like this person wants to break free from all of those baggages for you as well as for your person. Okay, the breaking free here is important, and this person knows the way out. And I'm seeing that both of you want to fight it. You want to fight for this connection. Okay, and eventually reach a point of calmness in this connection. Okay, because this connection is important for your person. I can see they want to manifest this with you. They want to they feel it's the right combination. Yeah, they feel that it's the best combination or the right combination, however you want to call it. And what they want to say to you is that little bit of patience is required to fix things here. Okay, let me see what else do they want to say to you. I want us to get back again. So maybe this person is looking forward to another meeting with you. Or if you guys are in separation, then this person wants you back in their life again. I need some time. Yes. Maybe this person wants to space things out. This is not like giving me a vibe that, you know, I want to be away from you. No. They will keep in touch. They will have everything with you. But I think they want to work on this connection with you on their side. Okay. That's the vibe that I'm picking. The waiting game, yes. So there is a little bit, and of course, the patience part of it came in the channel message. So they do want you to wait a bit for them, to understand them, okay? And they don't want to rush into things with you, because probably in the past, this person could have had a pattern of rushing into things with people, and now they don't want to do this. Okay, let's see what else. What do they want to say to you? The Empress. So yes, this person feels that you are a divine counterpart kind of a person. This person feels and takes you as some sort of a marriage material, I would say, and a guide, a sort of a person who's a guide. Like, this is what they feel for you, and that's what they want to tell you. They want to tell you that they really look up to you in a lot of ways. In a lot of ways. Okay? Let's see what else. The King of Swords. Okay, so could be an air sign, this person. Okay, look, what I am picking up here is that this person could have a nature of being cold. Okay, but that coldness stays there, but that doesn't mean that they don't feel anything for you. They feel a lot for you and they appreciate your softness a lot. Okay, they like the way you are, the kind of softness you have, all of that. Okay, let's see what else. And the Lovers. This person senses the soft side of their nature with you. Okay, and this person is pretty determined about you. I don't think this person wants to let you go in any way. This person wants you in their life in every way possible. All right, and I'm just seeing that it's like, every situation, for that matter, even if I give you an example of work, anything, okay, requires some element of initial working, okay, when you're making the foundation stronger. That's the phase that probably you guys are in right now. Okay, so they want to work on that foundation before anything, so that later on, if there are things that become, if there is a chance that maybe things can become sour, so that foundation is so strong that you both cannot be without each other. Okay, they know this whole thing, your nature, that you're a beautiful soul, but sometimes very guarded, so they also want to see your soft side. Okay, it's a very beautiful message I'm picking up here. Let's see, what else do they want to say to you at this point? I am stuck. Okay. Maybe they have some situation where they are stuck in. Maybe that's the reason why they want this patience from you. Am I the only one in your life? Oh God. Okay, this person seems to be outrightly jealous, and I have to say this. Have you tried to make them jealous, or is there somebody else whom they think you could be with? Okay. Let me see what else. Do I deserve you? Okay. So this person also thinks that, why would you want them? Or do they even deserve to be with you? Let's see, what else? And maybe that's the reason why they could be working on themselves right now. I'm scared to express. Okay. So pretty much it's like, the image that I'm getting here is that they want you around so that and slowly work on their fears. Okay, it's not bad, guys. Okay, because this person at least acknowledges that, okay, they have some issues and they want to fix it. Okay, let's see what else do they want to say to you. Queen of Wands. So this person admires you in a lot of ways. You inspire this person. I'm seeing that you have this very contagious energy in you which you pass on to people, and this person knows this and they like it. Okay, they like it, and you have that energy of fire in you which makes them feel very good. Okay, let's see what else. I'll pick one more card in terms of what do they want to say to you. Okay, so I have the Knave of Swords, which is the Knight of Swords here. This person, okay, maybe for a lot of you, you guys are like very free by nature, and this person wants you to be free, but at the same time, they want you to be theirs. Okay, like I'm getting a very nice energy here that they want you to fly, but be with them. I don't know if that is making sense to you. And then I have the Five of Wands, so they could probably think that somewhere there could be some fights, because we had the Five of Wands in the beginning. So yeah, there could be some issues here in terms of both of you coming to a common ground. So yes, they want to work on it and fix it. This person dreams about you. They dream about you, think about you. They look at your pictures, and you ignite a very soft side of their personality, which is very beautiful. Okay, and this person appreciates that thing in you. Okay, this I can see. So overall, what they want to tell you is that just if you can be patient with them, because they are working on themselves also, okay, in the process, and they have their fears of insecurity, like maybe jealousy or whatever it is. Okay, which is, I think jealousy is cute sometimes, not all the time. Okay. Alright. Now let me check an advice for you in this whole situation. Between Worlds. Never-ending story. Okay, if you're trying to run away from this, then don't even think about it, because this is a sort of a soulmate connection that I pick up, which is pretty strong. Yeah, it's an unfinished symphony, never-ending story. All of these cards are soulmate bonds. So look, you are stepping into clarity about this connection with this person. So just kind of keep sailing, okay? Keep sailing till you reach a point where you know what it is, okay? Because I am seeing that at this point, this person is not letting you go. Okay, this connection is here to stay for good. So I don't see a reason why you should fight it. Don't fight it. Let it be. Okay. All right. So that's what I have for pile number 1. Guys, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Nishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3-card readings over there, just in case if you're interested. Also, there are a couple of crystal bracelets up for sale on Instagram. So in case if you're interested, you can DM me over there. If you need details and all, etc. So I'm available. Take care. That's what I have for you. Do let me know in the comments if this resonated with you. Take care. I shall see you soon again. Bye. Okay, so let's move to pile number 2. Whoever chose this beautiful green fluorite crystal. So let's see. So I have a channeled message here which I've written, and I'll also be using my deck along with the tarot cards to see what does a person want to say to you. There are multiple things that are keeping us away at this point. I am aware about that, but I also know the amount that you care about me and love me. Your love surrounds me. I'm not as awakened as you are at this point. Okay, so this is what your person wants to tell you. Um, Maybe you guys are a little far apart from each other at this point because of external factors. Could be because of the whole COVID situation right now in India and abroad, maybe because of that. Or this could also mean in general that there could be other people involved, and you are not really being able to come close to each other. But with that, this person knows that you care and you love them, okay? So in such situations, I'll tell you, usually I've seen this with women. In such situations, women tend to lose patience. Mostly I've seen, I'm not stereotyping, I've seen this mostly, that's what I'm saying. That in that heat of the moment, don't do anything stupid, because you know what you do, you'll ruin what you can get later. Okay, so before acting upon your impulsive emotions, just try to calm it down a bit and think. Okay, all right, so let's see what does your person want to say to you. I am trying. That's the first message from them to you. They're trying. Okay, one more. I need to figure this out. Feelings and emotions. Okay. So this person has a very huge space in their heart for you. Okay. They are trying to understand what this is, what this situation is, what's going on, everything they're trying to understand, and they are trying, and that's like a beautiful thing. Okay. This person is trying to understand what this connection is, where is this taking them, how is this going to work out, all of those energies. Okay, at this point this person feels a lot of emotions for you, I can see that. Okay, but they have to figure a lot of things out. As I said right in the beginning, I think there are some other factors that are stopping you guys from being together. So maybe that is the reason why they're just trying to be a little careful here. Okay, all right, so let's see what else. What else does this person want to say to you? Ten of Swords. Okay, this person is going through a lot. Ten of Wands and Ten of Swords. Oh my god. So yes, definitely could be that this person is married, or this person could just be bogged down with a lot of responsibilities of family, whatever you want to call it. A lot of those things I'm seeing. Yeah. This person is like literally on the verge of giving up. Like this person cannot carry it any longer. They want to say this to you. Five of Swords. They could be pretending like there is nothing, okay, but internally there's a lot that is happening. A lot. Okay, let's see what else. Two of Swords. Yes, could be that a decision is impending and they have to take a decision, and they want to say this to you that it's very tough for them at this point. Life is not like very easy for this person. I can literally sense that energy. And you're like that person who ignites their world when they think about you. Okay, so in amidst all this sadness and the situation, you're like that ray of hope in their life which kind of ignites them from inside and they feel happy again. Okay, I'm actually seeing that one side of their life is full of baggage, responsibility, blah blah blah, and the other side is you. And they've not probably told you about what they are going through in their life. They're trying to pretend as if everything is fine, but actually it's not. Okay, let's see what else. Oops, that's a lot of cards. No, I love you. Okay, so this person loves you and they want to say this to you. Alright, so I have messages like this love is crazy, this can lead to something bigger. Okay, so this person really knows where this is going, this connection, and they appreciate it. So you know genuinely that this person, today, you know that this person really loves you. Okay, it's not a joke for them right now. And so I also feel that even if this requires for them to lie or whatever, they will for this connection, because I'm seeing that maybe they have to hide this side from this side and this side from this side. They're willing to do it, which is, I'm not getting into the right and wrong. They're willing to do it because they can't lose you, since they have a lot of feelings for you and there is a lot of love here. Okay, let me see what else do I pick up from the cards. What do they want to say to you? The devil. Okay. There is some situation in their life which they are stuck in. Could be marriage, could be a toxic commitment, something that is toxic and suffocating for them. Okay, wait. Let's see what else. Again, Queen of Wands. So they are stuck, okay, but still they are able to navigate to you. Okay, because I'm seeing a very strong sense of inspiration. I won't call this attraction, but more of inspiration in them for you. Okay, through you, this inspiration comes to them and it's making them happy. It's giving them strength in life to do things, and they are willing to do it. Okay, let me see what else. And I have the Magician. So yes, this person, okay, I'll give you the shadow side also. Maybe whatever they are stuck in, okay, even if it calls for them to lie and manipulate to have you in their life, I mean, of course, manipulate the other side, they are willing to do it. That's the energy of your person, so I have to say it. Now, I'm not getting into the right or wrong, but see, you can't judge this person because this person is dealing with a lot of things at this point, okay? And they just don't know how to break free from that at this point, and they can't lose you. That's something that they can't even think of, okay? Let's see, what else do they want to say to you? What else do they want to say to you? I want to know you more, and this is breathtaking. Okay, so this person wants to spend time with you. Okay, they want to spend time with you, they want to talk to you, and pretty much the time that they have spent with you has been really beautiful. Okay, and that's why I'm saying that even if it requires for them to be a little manipulative, okay, they are not shying away from it. Let's see what else. What else do they want to say to you? Six of Cups. This person really thinks of having a good future with you. Even if not future, whatever time they spend with you, maybe they become very childlike with you and they feel very happy about the whole thing. And it's a very nice feeling, is what I pick up. Let's see what else. Eight of Cups. So, yes, this person, when they are alone, all they do is they think about you. Because you are like that space for them, which is happy, beautiful, and they like to think about it. Okay, they like to think about you. Like, pretty honestly, I also share something. Like, when I am free, probably before I sleep at night or just about to hit the bed, there are certain things I like to think about, which is only about me, and that, like, and it could be to do with a person. For me, these are my thoughts, and I like to spend time with it alone, and that's exactly where you are fitting in for this person. Okay, it's a beautiful space to be in. Yeah. And then I have the Knave of Chalices. So yes, this person, probably when they look into the mirror, they see you or something like that. Okay, this person really gets triggered by you also in a lot of ways, and feelings are very strong. Feelings are very, very strong here. A lot of emotions, because cups, chalices. So yes, this person doesn't want to give up on you, because there is this huge um, pull, emotional satisfaction, feeling happy, those energies with you, and that's what they want to say to you. Okay, now let me pick an advice for you before we end this reading. They have a very strong pull and attraction towards you. Unfinished symphony, mending, and happy. So yes, this is moving in the direction of happiness. So at this point, look, you have to understand that everything, I mean, cannot happen as per the way you want. Okay, you have to let the universe also work on it. If you think and if you try to orchestrate everything, it doesn't happen sometimes. Okay, this symphony is here for you. You have to let it go slowly in you. Okay, because it's here for a purpose. This connection could be a soulmate connection. I picked that same message for pile number one also, because I'm seeing that there is a lot of desire to attain happiness from both of you, and both of you have that similar goal and expectation from this connection, which is a very beautiful thing. Alright, that is what I'm picking up for you guys. So be patient, pile number two. Be patient. The thing is that every connection goes through ups and downs. Okay, and maybe sometimes you might feel that this person is manipulating you, or this person is not like being loyal with you, but that's not the point. The point here is that they want you, and their situation is not very good, so all they can do is manage things this way only. All right, so that's what I have for you, pile number two. You can follow me on Instagram. I do daily 3 card readings over there, just in case if you're interested. And do let me know in the comments if this resonated. Also, if you're interested in crystal bracelets and Reiki healing crystals, You can ping me on Instagram. There are some bracelets up for sale, so you can have a look. Take care. Bye. Alright, so now let's move to pile number 3, the amethyst, whoever chose this amethyst rock. Okay, so first I have a channel letter, and then we'll look into some messages from my channel deck, and we'll see what your person wants to say to you. Okay, what is keeping this connection till now? Is it the mystery? Is it because we're not together? I want to understand the depth of this connection, and for that, I do want to understand you completely. I want to know you more. Okay. So, a very sweet message. I think your person is a little puzzled about this connection. Maybe it's one of a kind, they haven't felt this way before, and that's the reason why probably they just want to understand what this connection exactly is. Okay, they want to understand the depth of this connection, and for that, they want to understand you. Okay, so they want to know you more. They want to probably spend time with you, is what I'm seeing. Okay, let's see. What else do they want to say to you? Okay, not this. I think about you a lot. Okay. I'm going to take this, not these. Why would you choose me? I want to know you more. Okay, how much does this person want to know you? I have it twice. Wow. Okay, so the key message of this reading here today is that your person wants to know you more. Okay, they want to spend time with you, they want to understand who you are so that they can probably unravel the mystery associated with this connection, because I am seeing that this person could be puzzled. This person could be somebody who's not being able to get clarity around what this connection is about. Okay, a lot of confusion. That's what I'm picking up. And they're probably thinking that is the chemistry or is the spark there because we're not together. So a lot of people think this way, like, say for example, when two people are married, okay, sometimes after say 3 years of marriage, the spark goes away. Some people think this way. So this person is having those thoughts. Maybe they have they have had this experience in the past of being with someone, and initially it was fire and sparks and so much, but later on it all faded away. All right. So maybe this person just wants to understand them. Let's see what do we pick up from the tarot cards. Seven of Pentacles. Another clear sign that this person really wants to work on this connection. Okay, then I have the Five of Swords followed by the Knight of Swords. Yes. Could be this is a hidden connection. 8 of Swords, 4 of Wands. Okay. Look, right now, maybe the future part of it is a little unsure, skeptical. This person at this point just wants to take the steps to understand where is this heading, okay? In that process, I feel that this person, see, he or she has that desire to work more on this connection, but somewhere I'm seeing that they suppress it sometimes because maybe they feel that no, right now is not the time, I'm not very sure, all of these energies. Okay, so they feel a little caught up, they feel a little scared sometimes also, but eventually, see, the thing is, right now, I'm not seeing that they want to give up on you, but they're also not very sure about where this is moving. Okay, so let's see. I think they're trying to take one day at a time and understand this connection. Let's see what else do they want to say to you. It all makes sense to me. Okay. Life partner. Okay, wow. Feelings and emotions. Okay. So, look, I think they know what you want. They understand that where you are coming from. Okay. They understand this thing, but somewhere, okay, they really want to space it out a bit because they think that, again, it's going back to the past. I feel that maybe in the past they have taken such decisions which have not been very healthy for them in the heat of the moment, because Knight of Swords is a very impulsive energy and this energy exists in this person, so they don't want to repeat that again. Okay, let's see what else do we pick up from the tarot cards. What do they want to say to you? They know that you are looking at them as a life partner, and from far this person does see you as a life partner material, but I still feel that they're not decided as of now. Okay, it makes sense, but they haven't decided. The Fool, Ten of Cups. Okay, Page of Swords again. So this person has this sword energy very strong. I am seeing that there are times when they feel pushed to, tell you everything that they are feeling. They feel pushed, but then there is something in them that stops them as well. Okay, that energy is also there here. So it's not like they don't want you, they want you, but for them, this is like a leap of faith. It's like a plunge that they will have to take if they want to move forward with you. So that plunge is something that they are still thinking around whether they should do it or they shouldn't. Okay, because it's complicated sometimes due to what they have gone through, I feel. Okay, so this person is doing a lot of thinking around you. Let's see what else do they want to say to you. I need some time. I told you that they're still trying to figure things out for themselves. I am a player, alright, we get that. I can't break this connection. So, okay, very clearly I'm seeing that maybe this person is pretending to be someone that is not very much into people for too long. They could be showing you that, okay, I am a player, I am not interested in long term commitments, all of that. They might be showing this to you, but actually, okay, in reality, they cannot go away from you. They can't break this connection. Okay, let's see what else. Six of Cups, yes, because they feel a lot for you. They feel happy and childlike around you, yes. And the thing, the High Priestess, so yes, they feel that, there is a sense of, I mean, you touch a part of their soul which probably nobody does. You make them aware of a certain part of their nature which would have been a little hidden for a while. What else? Nine of Wands. So yes, this person somehow is very, very charmed by you. I can see. This Nine of Wands is not about being guarded. I think they want to protect this connection. That's the energy. Yes, look at this, Four of Wands. Okay, and then I have the King of Cups. So, and I have the Queen of Cups. So, this person just somehow feels that you connect with them at a level where, I mean, nobody else can reach. Okay, and it's a very happy moment for them that they have reached this point in their life where they somehow just feel that, okay, I have reached to at least been able to figure out one person who understands me in and out sometimes and is there for me when I need him or her. Okay, so it's a very beautiful energy is what I'm picking up. All right, okay, so let's see a guidance for you in this whole situation. Okay, so the first card that I have is Blessed. So, guys, I'm picking this up for a lot of you that don't ruin this connection by questioning it a little too much. Just be in it because I'm not seeing that this is harming you in any way. Maybe you have expectations, and probably I'm talking to very few and selective people with this message. Maybe you have expectations, but expectations are an outcome of love. So at this stage, enjoy the feeling instead of going for the fruit of that feeling. Okay? To be fair, yes, everything will happen at the right time. So at this stage, just relax and see where all of this is moving and heading for you. Okay, don't try to push things before time, and in that case, what you're going to do is you will hurt yourself. So this person is also in a very figuring state of mind, trying to understand everything. So advice to you here also is that understand this, understand where this is coming from, understand where is this coming from. Okay, because this is a mutual feeling of having somebody around, and it's very beautiful. Okay, so yeah, this person has his or her own fears which he or she is coming out of. Okay, all right, so that's what I have for pile number 3. Guys, you can follow me on Instagram. I do daily 3 card readings, as well as there's some crystals up for sale, and I'm shipping only in India right now. So you can check that out and let me know if you like it, and you can buy them as well. Feel free to reach out to me on Instagram, and I shall see you soon again with another reading. Take care. Bye.